Chana chat. One cup of soaked chana for overnight. 1 sliced onion and 1 potato cubes. 1 chopped onion, 1 tomato, 1 green chili and some mint and coriander. 1 tsp of ginger garlic paste. Half tsp of turmeric powder. 1 tsp of red chili powder. Salt as per taste. 1 tsp of amchur powder. 1 tsp of corn flour, salt to taste, half tsp of red chili powder and amchur powder. 2 boiled potatoes. In a cooker, transfer soaked chana. Add ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric and red chili powder. Add salt. Add amchur and coriander powder. Add 1 tsp of oil. Mix well. Add sliced onion and potato cubes. Add 2 cups of water. Close lid. Cook up to 4 to 5 whistles. Cut boiled potatoes into small pieces. Add dry spices and corn flour. Give a nice mix. Toss it so that potatoes are coated well. Leave them for 10 minutes. Let's check chana. Chanas are soft and boiled nicely. Mash them nicely. Add 1 cup of hot water and mix nicely. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off flame. Heat some oil in a pan and fry coated potatoes. Stir in between and fry until crisp. Potatoes are fried nicely. Remove them. Time to serve chana chat. Add 2 to 3 spoonfuls of chana chat in a serving bowl. Garnish them with chopped onion. Add chopped mint and coriander leaves. Add chopped tomato. Garnish with crispy fried potatoes. At last, add sev on top. Tasty and yummy famous chana chat is ready to serve. Do try this yummy chana chat recipe in RAMZAN and enjoy. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.